Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add subtitles to your videos on CapCut. So you are going to click on text and then you are going to choose auto captions. Okay, I need to just turn on the volume first, so I'm just gonna do that. Select your language too. And then after that, you're just going to press continue. And it's basically going to create the subtitles for like your video. And then you can, for instance, edit the subtitles here. So click on it and press batch edit, just in case some of the words aren't detected by the app. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!